Hello traders, today is April 1st and the market had a nice little sell-off. Hopefully you guys took advantage of this sell-off. I'm going to show you the software that predicted this sell-off using the first signal 45, 35, 50 to enter as a seller to go short right as the market opened here at 9:30 this morning. My name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. The software that you're looking at is the Atlas line. And the Atlas line is proprietary software, only available at DayTradeToWin. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds. We cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So the line that you see up here, this yellow jagged line here, is the Atlas line. And if you only stayed short the entire day, every single signal that had an opportunity to sell, whether it be scalping, whether it be following the pullback and strength trades, looked great. You had an opportunity here to go short and stay short. So to start off, the first signal here, right as the market opened, right after 9:30, 45, 35, 50. This was the first signal here to go short, and as you can see, with just one contract, the market moved about $350. Now, you don't have to take the entire target as you see the market move. You can just take a small snippet of the market. $50, $100, 2 points, 3 points, but let's not overdo it. Take what you can get out of the market, nice short trade. And then you see here the pullback and strength trades here by these P's and these S's. So going short here, going short here. These are successful trades. Again, if you want to go for 2 points, 1 point, 3 points, the market went down a healthy $300. That's just one contract. Now, as we continue on in the day, the market gave another signal short here, another signal short here, more short signals here. And as long as you stayed within the idea of every pullback and strength opportunity to sell it, you did very well. So this is the Atlas line from DayTradeToWin.com. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. We have a free Get Started guide in case you missed it. Learn how the market works with the free Get Started guide. Download the simulator, get live data, start your trading career. Start slow, ask questions, give us a call. We're here to help. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.